Here is the new landmark in Songpa-gu, the Sphere. This 7-meter spherical media installation showing various beautiful themes of arts such as Songpa tourist destination, the cute Songpa-gu character emoji, solar system, classical paintings, Korean traditional patterns, and many others. There are also interactive media you can try. Take your picture using provided monitor, then AI will do its job to creating your pretty caricature, like this. This new landmark located on the West Lake entrance of Songpa Naru Park. See you!